Hi children, welcome to DP Kids Grade 2 English Lessons. So we are learning about animals. Are you excited? So we went on a trip in our last lesson to the jungle and we saw lots of animals. දුල පුතාලා හැමෝම දෙක වසර DP Kids නාලිකාව මගින් ඉදිරිපත් කරන ඉංග්‍රීසි පාඩම් මාලාව සඳහා සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. ඒ වගේම මේ පාඩම අදත් අපි කරන්නේ සත්තු ගැන. ගිය පාඩමේ කිටි අපි ගියා. කොහෙද ගියේ? කැලෑවකට ගියා. නේද පුංචි දුවේ පුතේ? අපි ගොඩක් සත්තු ගැන ඉගෙන ගත්තා. අද ඒ සත්තුන්ගේ පැටව් ගැන අපි ඉගෙන ගනිමු. So we'll learn about baby animals today. ඔව් පුංචි දුවේ පුතේ. දැන් අපි කැලෑවේ ඉන්න සත්තුන්ගේ පැටවුන්ගේ නම් ටික ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් ඉගෙන ගනිමු. නේද කිටි? So we'll learn the names of the baby animals in the jungle. So here is a tiger and there is a baby tiger. What does it call? It calls a cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Can you see, kitty? Yes, it's a cub. Then next, we can see an eagle in its nest with two babies. So baby eagles are called eaglet. What do they call? Eaglet. රාජාලියගේ පැටව් අපි කියන්නේ eaglet. Okay, so tiger, cub and eagle and eaglet. So next we'll see here ostrich. Ostrich, the baby ostrich is called a chick. A baby ostrich is called a chick. පැස්පරාගේ පැටියට අපි chick කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. Then next one, kangaroo. Kangaroo and the baby kangaroo is called a joey. A joey, the baby kangaroo is called a joey. Kangaroo පැටියට අපි කියන්නේ joey කියලා. Right. Then monkey. Just like humans. We call them infants. We call them infants. වඳුරන්ගේ පැටවුන්ට අපි කියන්නේ infants කියලා. Infant. Right. And then crocodiles. Crocodiles, the baby crocodiles are called hatchlings. What do they call? Hatchlings. So monkey, infant, crocodiles, hatchlings. Then next, we'll see there are lots of baby animals. Snake. Baby snakes are called snakelets. Baby snakes are called snakelets. Then here comes the zebra and its baby is called a foal. The baby is called a foal. Right. Then again, bear. Again, the baby bear is called a cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Even the tiger was a cub. The baby tiger was a cub. So the baby bear is called a cub. Then hippo. Hippo's baby. A baby hippo is called a calf. A baby hippo is called a calf. Hippopotamus ke පැටියට අපි කියන්නේ calf කියලා. Right. And next we have more animals and this huge elephant. The elephant's baby, the baby elephant is called a calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. And we have next lion. The lion's baby, the baby lion is called a cub. Bear's baby is called a cub. Baby bear, then baby tiger is called a cub. And baby lion is called a cub too. Right? So baby lion is called a cub. We'll see the next. A peacock. The baby peacock is called a peachick. Right? A peachick. A baby peacock is called a pea-chick. Then we have the deer. It's a fawn. What is it? It's a fawn. The baby deer is called a fawn. Again, next will be gorilla. Just like monkeys. The baby gorilla is called an infant. The baby gorilla is called an infant. Right. And next we have the giraffe, the tall giraffe. And the baby giraffe is also called a calf. A baby giraffe is also called a calf. Then we have more animals. Fox. What do the baby fox call? Kits. They call kits. Right. And here we come with a panda. Panda. And the baby panda is called a puppy. Do you know that, kitty? A baby panda is called a puppy. Right. Then we have frogs. Gembo. Gembi පැටවුට අපි මොනවද කියන්නේ kitty? Tadpole. What do you call them? Tadpoles. Right. And then hedgehog. Hedgehog. And the baby hedgehog is called hoglets. The baby hedgehog is called hoglets. So we learned about baby animals. Aren't they cute, kitty? ඒගොල්ලෝ හරිම ලස්සනයි නේද? Yes. So next we have a matching activity. So let's move on to our next activity. Here we are to do a matching activity with Kitty. Kitty, yes, with you. Are you ready? පුංචි දුවේ පුතේ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා දැන් මෙතන සත්තු කීප දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. ඒ වගේම මේ සත්තුන්ගේ ඇඟවල් වල තියෙන රටාවල් වෙනම තියලා තියෙනවා. දැන් පුතාලා දුවලත් බලන්න ඕගලන්ටත් මේක ගලපන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. Kitty. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලමු ඉන්න සත්තු කවුද කියලා. This is a giraffe. Yes, very tall. This is a tiger. Yes. And here is a hedgehog. Small hedgehog. And a zebra. And a zebra. So looking at these patterns, Kitty, can you find the giraffe's pattern out of these four? The giraffe's is no. Is it? No. Okay, very good. Yes. So you can take it and keep it right underneath. Very good. Good, Kitty. Very good. So this is the pattern of the giraffe's body. Okay, Kitty. Now we have three more patterns. And can you find the tiger's one? Can you find the tiger's one with black stripes? No. Orange background? Yes. So here we go. Very good, Kitty. Very good. So here is the pattern of a tiger's body. Right. Now we have two. We have two. Now, Kitty, what will be the pattern of the hedgehog? Yes, very good, Kitty. This is the pattern of the hedgehog's body. Very good. And we are left with the zebra. Yes, and what will be the pattern? The black strips. Yes, there's black stripes on the white background. Very good. So this is the giraffe's pattern on his body. This is the tiger's pattern on his body. And this is the hedgehog's pattern on his body. And this is the zebra's pattern on his body. ඉතින් පුතාලා දුවලටත් ගලප ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා නේද? ඔව්. දැන් අපි හොඳින් සත්තු අඳුරනවා. Okay. So next we have a listening activity, Kitty. A listening activity of the sounds, right? Sounds of animals. Sounds of animals. So let's move on to that activity. We are in our listening activity. Kitty, so you have to listen very carefully. We are going to listen to sounds of animals. Animals and their sounds. So let's start. Kitty, are you ready? And you have to guess which animal is it. Okay, ready? Eyes open or ears open? Yes. Listen. What's that noise? Huh? Monkey? Yes? Yes. The chattering noise of a monkey. Very good, Kitty. Monkeys chatter. Listen again. What sound? A bird? Was it a bird? Let's check. Yes. It's an eagle. A screech of an eagle. Very good. Okay, listen. What sound? Can you guess? What can it be? Let's check. A roaring noise of a tiger. Tigers roar. Yes, very good. And then again, listen. What's that noise? What was that sound? Were you able to guess correctly? Kitty? No? Let's check. It's a crocodile. Crocodiles grunt. Crocodiles grunt. Okay? Listen. Can you hear? What's that noise? Snake. Was it a snake? Shall we check? Yes. The snakes hiss. The snakes hiss. Then, okay, listen. Who was that? What's that noise? Which sound was that? A growling noise of a bear. A growling noise of a bear. So bears growl. Right. And next we'll say, listen. Can you all guess? What kind of a sound is that? Kitty? Shall we check? A hippo. The hippo grunts. The hippo grunts. Right. Then, next. Listen. What's that? Whose sound was that? Can you guess, Kitty? No. Okay, let's check. It's a zebra, just like the horse, yes. The sound of a zebra is neigh. The sound of the zebra is neigh. Next. Here. What's that sound? Shall we check? Sound of a frog. Katie? Yes. The frog croaks. The frog croaks. Ribbit. The sound of a frog. Yes. Right. And then listen. Can you hear? What's that sound? Shall we check? Lion. The roaring sound of a lion. Yes. Lions roar. And then listen again. It's like a bird. Yes. Oh, with a long tail. Oh, okay, we'll check. It's a scream of a peacock. Yes, very good. It's a scream of a peacock. Right. Then, next. What is it? The sound of an elephant? Let's check. Yes, trumpet. The sound of an elephant is called trumpet. Very good, Kitty. Good guessing. Yes, children. So, I think we all could guess correctly. So, we learn how to listen to the sound and guess the animal. Kitty, shall we move to another nice craft activity? පුචිදුවේ පුතේ අපි තව කැලෑවින්න සතෙක් හදමුද? Kitty, would you like? Yes. So let's move to a craft activity. So here we are to make a tall giraffe with a handprint. Kitty, අපි අත් සලකුණ දාලා අපි උසම උස giraffe කෙනෙක් හදමු නේද? Yes, so we need a yellow board, scissor, some brown circles, a marker pen, eyes, black cartridge and glue. ඉතින් පුංචි දුවේ පුතේ අපිට මොනවද මේකට උවමනා වෙන්නේ? කහ පාට බ්‍රිසල් බෝඩ් එකක්, කතුරක්, මාකර් පෙන් එකක්, දුඹුරු පාට කපාගත්ත රවුන්ඩ් ටිකක්, කළු පාට කොලයක්, S ඇඳගත්ත S, ඒ වගේම gum. So we'll make the giraffe now. ඉතින් පුංචි දුවේ පුතේ අපි මේ ඇඳගත්ත අත giraffe කෙනෙක් විදියට හදන්නයි යන්නේ. Kitty, අපේ giraffe දැන් හදන්න යන්නේ. We're going to make the tall giraffe. Right, okay. So first, we'll cut its eyes and paste it. අපි giraffe ගේ ඇස් දෙක කපලා ලෝමු. And we'll draw his nose and the mouth. Right? And we'll paste these circles here and there. And 2 horns in black circle. Yes. So here is a giraffe with a handprint. ඔන්න පුංචි දුවපුතේ අපි හදාගත්ත උස්සම උස giraffe. ලස්සනයි නේද? පුංචි පුතාලත් මේ විදියට ලස්සන giraffe කෙනෙක් හදාගන්න. We learned about baby animals, the names of our baby animals, then sounds. Animal sounds, sounds of jungle animals, right? So then we made a tall giraffe today. So we'll learn about more animals in our next lesson as well. Kitty. අපි පුංචි දූල පුතාලාට කියමු නේද? ගෙදර ඉඳලා අපි කැලෑව දැක්ක සත්තු කීප දෙනෙක් හදන්න කියලා. Oh. So try as much as possible to make few crafts of animals in the jungle. Kitty, shall we say bye then? Okay. So until we meet in our next lesson, take care. Bye bye.